Examinations around the corner. Central Board of Secondary Education announces date sheet for Class 10 and 12 board examinations. Appeal for study atmosphere. Joint Committee of 13 organizations urges all to suspend all forms of entertainment programs in view of upcoming Class 10 and 12 board examinations. Congress rebukes. BJP Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee takes out protest rally condemning BJP of corruption over Rafale aircraft deal. Welfare benefits provided destitute and disabled. Wahengbam Samungo finally gets assistance from Chief Minister Nongpombam Birin. And Christmas greetings. Governor, Chief Minister, ministers and others wish people love, peace and harmony on the eve of joyous occasion of Christmas. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangchum with the headlines in details. The Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE has announced the date sheet for Class 10 and 12 board exams. Examinations for Class 12 board will commence from February 15 to April 3, 2019 and Class 10 board exams from February 21st to March 29, 2019. The board has made it clear that the exam's date have been fixed in a way that it does not coincide with the competitive exams. The exam will be held from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Students can check and download the complete date sheet by visiting the official website of boardofcbse.nic.in. A joint committee of 13 organizations, including students' organizations and parents' associations, has appealed to refrain from carrying out any entertainment events until the completion of Class 10 and 12 board examinations. The committee warned of stern actions if their appeal is ignored. The same was intimated to media by convener of Joint Committee on Restriction of Entertainment Program, Saugrakpam Sumati, at Manipur Press Club today. The 13 organizations are MSU, DESAM, MSF, SUK, AIMS, AISF, SSUM, KSA, All Manipur Students Guardian Association, AMIC, Film Forum Manipur, Manipur Sumang Lila Council and All Manipur Sound System Association.
Organization Tarahundo Yasina Pulaga Committee ama Siamaba Matunda, Akoi Lakadoriba exam sing a Siki Oina Yang Nakanda, Akoi January Tankun Mapandagi Horaga, Kume Harabo Kudimak Lepinaba, Manipur Yamda, Piltau Jari, Aduga, Haibe exam sing a Sigi, Manunda, Matam Naidana, Leptana, Kogi Manipurda, Akoi Sandalambi, Amoina Sataraiba, how she sing and she should lepi Class 10 Amadi Tuyaki Parkasin Hek, Loiba Numituda, Adugi Parka Hek, Loibaga, Akoina.
Directorate for Welfare of Other Backward Classes and SC in a press release notified that online application for OBC pre-metric, OBC post-metric, SC pre-metric, SC post-metric and EBC post-metric scholarship for the year 2018-19 has been extended till January 10th next year. Vice Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture, Commissioner of Arts and Culture Department, M. Lakshmi Kumar, has assured the people of Manipur of witnessing Manipur University a culture as a full-fledged university in near future. He stated the same at the 46th Foundation Day observance of Harimati Dance and Music Center held at Kongpal today. Lakshmi Kumar disclosed the land for construction of the university complex has been acquired at Wakha of Nongmaiching Hill in Imphal East, and that is laking infrastructure will be filled up soon. He further disclosed that the government is all set to recruit school and college teachers of Thangta, dance, music and others subjects for the academic session 2019-20. A book written by N. Harimati entitled Arangphamgi Mathau was released on the occasion. Performance of Nitya Ras, a Manipuri classical dance, enthralled the audience in the event.
Hanadi clarity leramdaba Ministry of Culture chaloga UGC chalu harakpungba UGC chaloga na HRD chalu haigumba ko adumaina university habam jawbani ko khoi clarity dum leire aduna khoi once khoi lamgi issue once settle torogadi we will be approaching one after another maru in infrastructure the faculty and in a big way khoi gi whatever grants we can get adugi poto khoi same salary.
Eden Public School held its annual day celebration in the school campus at Wangkai in Imphal East today. MLA Yash School, Satya Brata, founder of the school, KT Singh and school principal and Elizabeth were present in the event. The annual N. Thoithoiba Meritorious Award for the school was accorded to Vidyarani Konsam, a class 11 student of the school. 36 students were given the school's annual scholarship of 2017-18 on the occasion. Entertainment and cultural performances by the students marked the event. Congress workers took out a protest rally condemning the BJP of corruption over Rafale aircraft deal in Imphal today. The protest rally was organized by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC as a part of nationwide protests against the same by AICC. Former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi condemned the BJP as a party which can even lie to Supreme Court, which is the apex court of the country. He also termed BJP government as undemocratic and intolerant of criticism against it. The Congress leader advocated for a Controller and Audit General CAG report on Rafale aircraft deal and Public Account Committee PAC examination in the Parliament to expose the truth.
Supreme Court of Lana Lamjingaba, Namaba, BJP-led NDA government here, Sadaron Brazil, Kadai Mangani, Moina, Majin Kibang Namadaba, Namtak Tabudaba. Madui Asing Bahairoga Titan Toba. She doesn't tell in a press in knowing Policama. Don't tell she pretty in a phone with the other Sigumbashi, Chief Minister the Wayu, Prime Minister, democracy set them at them the D. When hiding but saying what say, when it's saying Bahiribado. Women's spokesperson Amana Mana, Manipur Chief Minister, Prime Minister has the Lali Magi allegations in Lali and Singon Gadamne. All party ki me Sinko Gadamni. Kayang Queen Haini Man Haina. She Handava Targati. Democracy, one popular democracy is Tuptan.
Officials of the Social Welfare Department and Bishnupur District Administration under the supervision of Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren today provided assistance to destitute and disabled person Wahingbam Samungao, former HM President and younger brother of the Chief Minister Nongthombam Rajendro handed over the welfare assistance to Samungao. District Social Welfare Officer Bishnupur W. Jotis also handed over handicapped certificate to him. Wahingbam Samungao, who was rendered disabled due to an illness in his early years, was deprived of welfare programs of the government for a long time. Though living in a deplorable house, he was deprived of the housing scheme provided by the government due to lack of proper attention from the elected Pradhan in his area. The official team comprising of Nongthombam Rajendro, Deputy Commissioner in charge of Bishnupur District Gojendro Ningthaujam, SDO Bishnupur Lalit Thambigai, Deputy Director Disability of the Social Welfare Department T.H. Dilip Kumar, and Chief Medical Officer Bishnupur visited Wahingbam Samungao at his residence in Trong Laubi, Tera Khongsangbi Wahingbam later today. Speaking to the media, DC in charge of Bishnupur District Gojendro Ningthaujam stated that acting on the impact news reporting on the poor condition of Samungao, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren instructed the officials to take immediate stock of the situation. He said Samungao will be provided 1,500 rupees as disability pension under Chief Minister Gisotharaba Singh Tengbang scheme. Gojendra also said necessary actions will be taken regarding his job card and AAY card as soon as a report is obtained from district program officers and supply officers.
Nahan impact TV da paum lakpadagi sigumba laire habatabadagi yamna pukning nungsiba mawang amada kogi tamo samungona lai habatabadagi whenever CM gi initiative makhada sumaina lairaba singbu magi pukning da nungai taw phawbudugi yam thuna taw harakpade akoi je hobe hojik senjarak pasida mayam social welfare madi CMO medical officer ki tarap tagi ngasi certificate piriba loinana social welfare tarap tagi akoi in 1 or 2 days da walking 2 days da akoi wheelchair pinaba so akoi na sum khana jaraga tawsena khanjari maram di ma se satpangam dabnena then atopa allegation akoi ki magi chengumba phana phangam daba adagi job card kumba da ketang allegation khara leibasi so ai hojing mak chasaraga ai magi allegation singse kai leibano habado program officer da de district supply officer da ai ngasi ma inquiry tawjage na khali aduga ai photo kapa pujare hojiki yum je manung pan ma de sakhum kai ra ho mayam jai photo ka pujare ai ngasi mak official badai PMAYG gi list ai kokhatsaraga simbasu athu matam dai tawna bai hona jarani.
Wahingbam Samungao expressed immense gratitude and happiness upon receiving the assistance.
Yamna harau jare mayam lakpidana tawbasi ai di sirge bo khandar lerambani adu siba yararo di wakhanji chauthwe mayamgi bukchen ai hingba tare hojikti anadi ai si sirase hutha sirasira adai cha phikwa lerambado modi khalo ke baba masa kanghau de aina ai hingna kaptana lela buji ni ai che haifang ngde ji thuket pam yor yam nongai jadaba icha di khalo uji icha u phangdre adu hojikti icha ju u phangani asigi wakhalon si All
Manipur Students Union in a press release termed the arrest of Kishore Chand Wangkhemcha under NSA as against the Indian Constitution's freedom of expression. The press release urged the government to free Kishore Chand from the imposition, failing which warned of intense agitations. Well, Christian community in the state gears up to celebrate Christmas, and Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah has extended her greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the Christian brethren, on the eve of Christmas. In her message, the governor said, Lord Jesus, the messenger of God and an apostle of peace and non-violence, showed humanity the path of salvation through love, compassion, mercy, and forgiveness. She called on everyone to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ while rededicating ourselves to the spiritual and ethical path propounded by Jesus and live in peace and brotherhood following his values. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has also conveyed his heartiest greetings to the people of the state, especially the Christians, on Christmas Eve today. Speaking to media at Chief Minister's Secretariat, Chief Minister Biren said, "It is a time now to listen and take the message of Christmas with utmost seriousness, shun involvement of oneself in any manner of evil activity, and involve oneself in the work of spreading peace and harmony in the state." He wished that the joyous occasion of Christmas will usher in an era of peace, harmony and prosperity among the inhabitants of hills and valley of Manipur. The Chief Minister also lauded Yambem Govind from Kwakathil Konjing Lekai, who set a Guinness World Record, a time of 2,202 knuckle push-ups in 1 hour. It may be mentioned that Yambem Govind, on his 8th attempt today, beat former Guinness record set by a Pakistani of 2,175 knuckle push-ups in 1 hour. Chief Minister Biren assured that the government will soon decide on provision for incentives, including government jobs for such remarkable youths of the state.
Manipur state sida leibiriba Christian dharma satpa isilinaw singda sarkar sigi maigi degi amadi aisa gi maigi degi sugumba Merry Christmas wish mayam the pizza bagaloinana Jesus Krishna lak bagaloinana lamdam sida akhoi jati akhoi masel gi marakta hena chesan ba nuksi sanaba amato begi wakhalon bibiramba aduna leiminari ba akhoi sahi sa kya dagi nuksi sanar leiminaraba isilinaw singdam da leiba punamak amato ina akhoi himinana bagi blessing nijahuba ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯅꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯋꯥꯊꯣꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯐꯠꯇ ꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯣꯔ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯀꯟꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯕꯤꯔꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯅꯤꯖꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯆꯦꯠꯁꯟꯍꯜꯂꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯈꯔꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Works Minister Thongam Biswajit also wished the people of Manipur a joyous Christmas. In his message, the minister said Christmas is celebrated commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ, the Prince of Peace. He urged everyone to spread the message of unity and oneness and wished that the festival will renew the spirit of brotherhood and peace in the state. Forest and Environment, Mahut, Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister Thongnaucham Shyamkumar has conveyed his heartiest greetings on the joyous occasion of Christmas and New Year 2019. Speaking to media at his office in News Secretariat today, the minister wished for communal harmony, development and peace in the state. Minister Shyamkumar also stated that widespread tree plantation will be carried out on major hills of Manipur Valley next year. He appealed not to cut down trees or harm any wild animal. Responding to Impact News query regarding alternate arrangements for poppy farmers of the hills, the minister assured that the government will be always there for the people. He said the State Horticulture Department, the Forest Department and the Agriculture Department will provide it necessary assistance depending on the requirement of the particular area.
Poppy si paksa no kodema si bisa toroga hon de paina manghal ka anda koina mati exu pangi apil tawi si mi onema si misa ko apil tawi adu hujik sida poppy de ge hana phaba pesa hana phanga da por mayam do Forest Department da Agriculture Department da Forest Department da medicinal plant mayam leba mayam da koi tana handak sahi 19 dagi phachana hone da leiba media ki kuthang da hairo poppy tharma mayam singa su anthak ki mayam singa su department da si ilaka da koi khanga dam department da si edu ibiraktra di poppy tharje kana kana no we don't know poppy si paksa no kodema.
Social Welfare Minister Neem Chakibgen also greeted the people of Manipur on Christmas Eve. In her message, the minister said Christmas is a time to reflect on the teachings of Jesus Christ. She wished for peace and harmony in the state. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC T.N. Haukip has conveyed heartiest greetings to the people of the state, especially the Christians, on the joyous occasion of Christmas. Committee member come former Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam also extended his heartiest greetings on the occasion. International Peace and Social Advancement, Manipur People's Democratic Front MPDF, All Manipur Students Union MSU and Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur DESAM, in a separate press releases, extended heartiest greetings to all the Christians on the joyous occasion of Christmas. Prescribed Outfit, Revolutionary People's Front, in a press release conveyed heartiest Christmas greetings. The outfit wished for the festival to bring peace and harmony in the state. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Ligla Bakery opening its exclusive retail outlet named LD Enterprises. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. A pioneering food manufacturing company of the state, Ligla Bakery has opened its exclusive authorized retail agent outlet named LD Enterprises at Sagol Bansalam Laikai today. Brand ambassador of Ligla, popular Manipuri film actress Bala Hizm, and managing director of Ligla Bakery, Thangchab Joykumar, jointly inaugurated the outlet. Proprietor of LD Enterprises, R.K. Dhoni, said the outlet was opened with an endeavor to make available tasty and healthy food items.
Consumers have the Hakchang the Pagada Potin and the Yapana, Sigumbaze adu khatane na hajane sai sida koina kanaba pige khali se main oina customer sing consumer sing ai tare hana atopa mafam da chatlaga saram ba myam se koina khatang khudong chaba satisfaction habidi chat chok chajin gi matang do ga su hajine koi ba je deliver to bu ki yengba ngam ba gi adu gi akhoirom da gi hap ngam na ba hangjarap.
Consumers Club Manipur held a one-day consumer awareness program to mark the nationwide National Consumers Day observance today. Resource persons stressed on Act and rules of private nursing home and clinic aid and Manipur Medical College Consumer Protection Act 1986 and on consumers' right at the awareness program held at Lamyanba Sanglen Palace compound. MLA Ketrigao and Indrajit also attended the event. Mangal Rural Yelhomi Enterprises donated 13 laptops, 2 mobile tablets, 8 chairs and goods worth 1,20,000 rupees to village chief of Nungathang Tampak in Churchandpur district. Proprietor of Mangal Rural Shurjit handed over the items during a ceremony held at the village church today. It may be mentioned that Mangal Rural is instrumental in bringing 100% computer literacy in the village as the first one in Northeast states last year. Proprietor Surjit said the items were distributed to facilitate the village's technology. The Editors Guild Manipur in a press release deeply condoled the untimely demise of Indrimba Mangi Ningthauja, who passed away at his residence in Pauna Bazaar on December 20th. Members of the guild shared the grief of his bereaved family and prayed for his soul to rest in peace. Mangi served in various capacities in major media houses of Manipur including Huyen Lanpao, Ichel Express, Matamgi Yakairol, Kanglaipaki Maira. He was working as a desk editor of Evening Daily, Pandam before he passed away. The editors fraternity and the Editors Guild Manipur appreciated his contribution towards advancement of journalism in Manipur. Sand quarrying and related activities along Thoubal river banks have polluted the river water. Residents depending on the river water are facing major inconveniences. Residents of Thoubal Kiam and Moijing of Thoubal district held a public meet in this regard at Kiam Laithangol ground yesterday. They have resolved to ban sand quarrying in the area and urged the government to take necessary measures. District Legal Services Authority, Bishnupur and Legal Aid Clinic, Kwakta jointly organized a one-day legal awareness program on domestic violence and drug abuse at Kwakta Bazaar Community Hall in Moirang constituency yesterday. Resource person Advocate T.H. Sudhir Mitai stressed on domestic violence, while Advocate T.H. Akup Aimol gave resourceful insights on drug abuses during the program held under Manipur State Legal Services Authority. The 75th Azad Hind Government Anniversary Rally, which flagged off from Cuttack in Odisha, reached INA Complex in Moirang today. The INA Japanese Reception Association, Maibam Lokpaching, Lion Club of Oinam and Lions Club of Nambol jointly accorded a warm reception to the rallies. Floral tributes were paid to the Second World War Memorial Site in Maibam Lokpaching. And now the sports news. Nako Nambul Mapal and Trao Kwakaithel beat their opponents in the ongoing 12th Manipur State League. In the 63rd league match played today, Nako Nambul Mapal defeated Nisa Thangmaiban 2-1. For the winners, and Tomnau and Mohammad Rohit scored 1 goal each at the 78th and 90th minutes, while the lone goal of the losing team was scored by Sanket at the 55th minute of the match. In the last league match, Trao Kwakaithel beat YPHU Lalambung 2-0 for the winners. Prince Wills Emeka and Peter Sinmyanthang scored 1 goal each at the 32nd and 89th minutes of the match. 12 football clubs are participating in the state league organized by All Manipur Football Association under the sponsorship of Kumukcham Ingocha Memorial Trust and at Imphal Polo Ground. Subsequent knockout matches will be played from December 27th. Yambim Gobin from Kwakaithel Konjing Laikai made a Guinness World Record attempt of 2,202 knuckle push-ups in 1 hour on his 8th attempt today, breaking former Guinness record by a Pakistani of 2,175 knuckle push-ups in 1 hour. Govin made the attempt at Radiant Fitness Center Palace compound. Yambim Govin had already attempted for Guinness World Record in 6 other events. Before we conclude, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Examinations around the corner. Central Board of Secondary Education announces date sheet for Class 10 and 12 board examinations. Appeal for study atmosphere. Joint Committee of 13 organizations urges all to suspend all forms of entertainment programs in view of upcoming Class 10 and 12 board examinations. Congress rebukes BJP. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee takes out protest rally condemning BJP of corruption over Rafale aircraft deal. Welfare benefits provided destitute and disabled. Wahengbam Samungo finally gets assistance from Chief Minister Nungthombam Bidu. And Christmas greetings. Governor, Chief Minister, ministers and others wish people love, peace and harmony on the eve of joyous occasion of Christmas.